Hi, Scott Doolin at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser. All right, so 230 Cruiser, this is an SLDH floor plan. So SLDH stands for single lounge dual helm. So this one has the dual helm seats with the flip-flop backrest. If you like this exact same boat, but you want this with the regular L bench without the captain seat, we've got those on order also. So we do about a 50-50 split of the two. I like the SL floor plan because you can sit facing forward, you can sit facing backwards, but it also goes all the way down flat to make a full bed, which I really, really like. Storage underneath all of the seats all the way around, as well as a built-in cooler over here. Double USB, one of them's a USB, the other's USB-C, which is great. Built-in cooler. And submersible swim seat on the back. So previously, the swim seat was only available on Solstices and up on the trim levels. Now it's available here in a Cruiser, which is one of the most popular options on board all these boats. It's going to be really, really good for us to be able to sell Cruisers with the swim seats. Double bimini top, so you do get shade the full length of the boat. You can operate the boat at wide open throttle with the bimini open, which is awesome also. This does have an upgraded stereo with a transom remote control, speakers all the way around, LED lights in the cup holders, LED lights in the seat bases. It's a full-length tri-tune with storage built down in the bottom of the middle log and your stern safety fencing on the back. So fully optioned 230 Cruiser. Hope you like the boat. If you see any of the others that you like, you want to talk to them on the phone, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.